Hello viewers, today I'm going to talk about IELTS speaking. We all know that IELTS have 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and 1 speaking. So in this video I'm going to give you a quick introduction to IELTS speaking. Okay, in IELTS speaking exam we have 3 parts, part by part, So in part 1, as IELTS say, it is interview. Part 1 can be 4 to 5 minutes long. Can be, it depends. Okay, it's not that precise. In part 2 it will be a task card or cue card. You will have 1 minute here to prepare and 2 minutes to talk. So maybe here you are getting 3 minutes. In part 3 it will be a discussion. It can be 4 to 5 minutes or maybe more than that. So in total 11 to 14 minutes. This is the timeline for your IELTS speaking exam. It depends, right? 11 to 14 minutes. Okay, let's talk about part 1. In part 1 you may be asked what is your favorite sports, or maybe where did you live in your childhood. So day-to-day question, common question that you are supposed to know. Okay, here say, do you live in apartment or house? This type of question. Basic questions, basic. For these questions here you would get nearly 20 seconds to answer for each question. Okay, and here in part 2 you will have only 1 question. You need to speak for 2 minutes. Okay, so here we have 2 minutes. And here, since part 3 is a discussion type of question, it can be long. Okay, so for each question maybe you are getting 1 minute per question. Okay, here maybe you are getting I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 questions. Here 1 question, and here maybe 3 to 8 questions. It can vary. Okay, so here's the thing, maybe you are getting 15 or 20 questions in your IELTS speaking exam. Okay, so that's all for today. See you next time.